Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we'll continue coding and decoding again, and we are left out with only two more categories. One of them is substitution based and the final one is message deciphering. In this video we will talk about how to handle these two kind of problems. Okay, let's talk about this very case. So in this case, remember, whenever you have phrases like known as, called as, is called, you will move only one step forward, and in case of means, you will move one step backward from reality. Now what is the meaning? I'll explain this whole thing with the help of an example. Now in this question, blue is called green, green is called white, white is called red, red is called black. Then what is the color of the leaves of the most of the plant? So in this case, you will find out how many statements we have. One, this is second statement, third statement. Then in this question, we have four independent statements. Remember this. Now, what is the color of the leaves of the most of the plant? Now, in reality, what is the color of the leaves of the most of the plant? In reality, the color is green. In reality, the color is green. Now, in case of known as, called as, is called, we will move one step forward from reality. So we're gonna move one step forward from green. So you can see out of these four statements, green comes first in the very first statement. So from green, one step forward, we are getting white. So answer over here should be white, option D. Because in that particular language, green is called what? White. Hence answer is option D, which is white. Kindly mark it. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. See, in this case, again, we are having what? We are having four independent statements. See, first, second, third, white is red. The first statement is blue means green, second is green means white, third is white means red, and fourth is red means black. Now in this question, what is the color of the leaves of the most of the plant? Now in reality, the color of the leaves of the most of the plant is green. Now in this question, we are using means. So in case of means, we will move one step backward from reality. So green is the reality. So one step backward from green is blue. So green is the reality. So in case of means, you will find a statement where green comes first. So green comes last. In first statement, green comes last. So blue means green. So for this question, answer should be blue. Okay. So in case of means, you will have to find out in which statement the reality is present in the end. And in case of known as, is called, in those kind of statement, you have to find out in which statement reality is present in the beginning. So in the first statement, green, that was the reality, was present in the end. Now why we are looking for green in the end? Because in this particular case, the word mean is there, right? So from green, one step forward, we are having blue. Hence the answer of this question is option B, which is blue. I hope guys this is clear to everyone. Let's move on. Okay, now this is the last variation under coding and decoding, and this is called message deciphering. We will learn this with the help of the question directly. Now let's talk about this particular question. In this case, you will find out in a coding language, 481 is called sky is blue. Okay, 246 means sea is deep. Okay, and 698 means sea looks blue. Now, so I can see in this particular question, we are having three different statements, and in every statement some digits are present and then some words are present. some digits are present, then some words are present, and so on. So in this case, what we are looking for in the end, we want to find out what number is the code for blue. Okay. So in this case, if you compare the first given statement with the second, on the left hand side, you will find out 4 is common. 4 is common in 481 and 4 is common in 246. On the other side, when you compare these first two, on the other side, you will find out is common. This means 4 is the digit that has been used for is. 4 is the digit that has been used for is. Okay. Now the next thing. If you compare 1 with 3, if you compare the entire statement 1 with entire statement 3, you will find out in statement 1 and 3, the digit 8 is common on the left side. Digit 8 is common on the left side. And on the other side, if you compare first with 3, then you will find out the word blue is common. So it means 8 should be the digit that we are using for blue. 8 should be the digit that we are using for blue. So what is the number? What number is the code for blue? So I can see for blue, examiner is using 8. Hence option C is the right choice. Now see, in the statement 1, on the right hand side, we are left out with 1. Okay. And on the right hand side, we are left out with the word sky. So obviously 1 should be the code for sky. 1 should be the code for sky. Okay. Done. Now next, see, next is, now although we have answered this problem, but let me tell you something more. If you compare statement 2 with statement 3, you will find out in statement 2, 6 is present on the left side. Also in statement 3, 6 is present on the left side. On the right hand side, if you compare 2 with 3, you will find C common, which means 6 is the code for C. Okay. Now in the statement 2, only the digit 2 is left out, and on the other side, the word deep is left out. It means 2 is the code for the word deep. And in the final case, 9 is left out on the left hand side and looks is left out on the right hand side. So 9 is the code for looks. So this is the way of deciphering these kind of problems. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.